Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth problem if your Bluetooth is not working, not connecting to device, one or two device, or any other issues or problem is coming in your Poco smartphone, how you can solve it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings and type reset in your search bar. Click on reset Bluetooth, click on reset setting, then you have to draw your pattern like this and click on OK, and friends, your Bluetooth problem will be solved 100%. And if it is not working, then you have to simply restart your smartphone and it will be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.